Hello guys, today we'll talk about next topic. Usually it's called the market structure and subtopic is a monopolistic competition. My name is Victor Ni and let's look at one example for this particular topic. There is a question. The t-shirt shop operates in monopolistically competitive market. Which diagram would represent equilibrium in the long run? And here you have three examples. A, B, C. Okay, pause the video guys and try to give your answer. And then we will, of course, as usually, we will check it. And please, I remind you that really try to pause and answer the video. It will help you a lot. Okay, let's check your answer. The answer for this question is B. Maybe you will be surprised, or maybe you answer correctly. Let's check it. Okay, first of all, why is it not C? Why C is incorrect? We can see the graph here. First of all, profit maximization. A marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. We have marginal cost here and marginal revenue is here. Okay, price equal to average revenue is higher than average cost. Here we can see that average revenue represented by this line is actually high because a company will produce where marginal costs intersect marginal revenue at this point. Then we have average revenue is actually price and it's higher than average cost. Average cost is 1.5, but the price which will be charged is $2. Therefore, profit per unit will be 0.5. Okay, if we produce 10 units, the profit will be $5. This is how it looks. Only in a short run, the company operating in monopolistically competitive market can earn a supernormal profit. Here we talk about supernormal profit, as you can see, because the average revenue is our demand, is not a horizontal line. It is slightly steep, and it's the price which will be charged $2 is higher than the average total cost, or average total cost, because company will make decision to produce where marginal cost equal to marginal revenue at this point. Then you have to go up from this intersection. You have to go up until you reach average revenue, and you will see the price which you can charge is $2. Then you can go down until average cost, and this is average cost of your production is 1.5. In this case, 0.5 will be profit per unit, and this whole rectangle will represent your profit. Okay, next one. Why is A is incorrect? Okay, profit maximization again. Marginal cost equal to marginal revenue, same. Price equal to average revenue is lower than average cost. Your average cost is here upper, but average revenue is at the bottom part. Average cost, the procedure is like the same. You take marginal cost and average and marginal revenue and find the intersection. Intersection is here. Then you have to go up until you reach your average revenue curve. This is at $2. It will be price which you can charge to. Then you have to go until the average total cost or average cost here, and it will be your average cost of production 2.5. Your average cost of production is 2.5. Your price is $2. It means that you will lose some money, and actually you are losing 0.5 per unit. If you decided to produce and sell, your production is at 2.5, your price is 2. 0.5 will be lost from every unit. If you produce $10, or if you produce 10 units, 10 multiplied by 0.5 gives you $5 minus $5. It's actually your loss, your total loss will be minus 5. Only in the short run, the company operating in a monopolistically competitive market can experience loss. Yeah? Remember that we are talking only in a short run. In the long run, you will exit the market because you can afford to have negative profit loss for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but you cannot have it for 1-2 years. And this situation we can see right now with the coronavirus, when a lot of restaurants are closed because they could survive during 1 or 2 or 3 months, but cannot survive it during 1 year and more. This is a long run for them, and therefore they prefer to close the business. Why B is the correct answer? Okay, we have the same situation, profit maximization, where marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. Here, marginal cost and marginal revenue. Then price is the same with the average revenue is equal to average cost. Here, you have to find intersection, marginal cost and marginal revenue. Then go up until you reach your price, your average revenue curve, and you will find price, it's $2. Then you also can find your cost. Your cost is also $2. In this situation, your profit per unit will be 0, and your total profit also will be 0 multiplied by 10, 0. In the long run, the company operating in monopolistically competitive market have only economic profit. Okay, make sure that 0 does not mean that the company has no profit. It just tells us that company has no supernormal or abnormal profit. The company is receiving only economic profit. Okay, what is the explanation for this? Let's see. We have, for example, average cost curve is below than average revenue curve. Yeah? Average revenue curve here is above. Then we have supernormal profit. You are charging $2, but your cost is 1.5. You can enjoy your supernormal profit. Increase in spending for advertisement. This is explanation from the one source, Peter Smith Economics, page 137. Increase in spending for advertisement will shift average cost curve upward at all level of output, where a firm can earn only normal profit. Let's see how it looks. This is your average cost, and then the company is spending money for advertisement. If the company spends money for advertisement, the average cost is rising, and its average cost shift upward. Can you see? Thus, in the long run, the price which will be charged would be equal to average cost, and company will earn only economic profit. Okay, the second explanation, supernormal profit will attract new firms. We have this is like our initial graph. then supernormal profit will attract new firms. Demand for the individual firm's product will fall. Average revenue curve is actually our demand, and marginal revenue will shift left until there is no supernormal profit to attract new firms into the industry. Let's see how it works. This is our average revenue curve and marginal revenue. Then, because other companies that look at us and they're jealous, they want to have the supernormal profit, they start to enter the market, and as a result, average revenue demand actually falls, because we have to share the overall demand. Demand falls, and together with marginal revenue. Therefore, they also have again the situation where where price equal to average cost, and thus the company has again economic profit. These are the two explanations why in the long run company will not have a supernormal profit and will have only economic profit. And again, please, I remind that economic profit does not mean zero. It means that company is earning some profit which covers opportunity cost, still have some profit. Okay, these are resources for you. Peter Smith Economics, Cambridge International AS and A level, page 137, and Terry Cook Economics, Cambridge International AS and A level, page 190. As usual, good luck on your exams. Don't forget to give your great like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell. It is important for this channel. See you guys.